You may use headphones for clear understanding. Here I have tried to give maximum content in a minimum time frame. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on retirement planning. Retirement is something that everyone dreams of, but not everyone is well prepared for. In this video, we will discuss how to plan for retirement at different ages and stages of life. Whether you are just starting out in your career or getting closer to retirement age, we have tips and strategies for you. In your 20s, if you are in your 20s, you may think retirement planning is not a priority. However, it's important to start early. One of the best things you can do is to start saving as much as you can as soon as possible. Take advantage of your employer's provident funds, or you can start a systematic investment in mutual funds and contribute as much as you can afford. The power of compound interest can make a huge difference in the long run. In your 30s, when you are in your 30s, you may have started a family, bought a house, and maybe juggled multiple financial responsibilities. It's essential to review your retirement plan regularly and make any necessary adjustments. You may want to increase your contributions to your retirement accounts and consider other investment opportunities to diversify your portfolio. In your 40s, if you are in your 40s, you're likely in the prime of your career, and your salary may be at its peak. It's important to make sure you are on track to meet your retirement goals. Use a retirement calculator to see if you're contributing enough to your retirement accounts, and if not, increase your contributions. You may also want to consider paying off any high-interest debt to reduce financial stress in retirement. In your 50s, if you are in your 50s, retirement may be just around the corner, and it's essential to make sure you're financially prepared. Check if you have any outstanding debt and work towards paying it off before retirement. It's also important to review your retirement accounts and make sure you are on track to meet your goals. If you're behind, consider increasing your contributions or working with a financial advisor to make up for lost time. In your 60s and beyond, if you are in your 60s or beyond, it's time to start thinking about how you will fund your retirement. Determine your retirement income needs and explore options such as social security benefits, pension plans, and retirement account withdrawals. Make sure to have a plan for healthcare costs, which can be a significant expense in retirement. Conclusion: retirement planning is a critical part of financial planning, and it's never too early or late to start. Whether you are in your 20s or nearing retirement age, taking proactive steps to plan for retirement can make a significant difference in your financial future. We hope these tips and strategies help you plan for a happy and comfortable retirement. Thank you for watching. For SEPIN mutual funds starting, personalized financial planning, and wealth management, you can contact us at below given number. Disclaimer: this is only a knowledge sharing effort. In this video, I am not giving any investment advice. For investment advice, you should contact your investment advisor.